Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Radish Pakoda. This is a very delicious and an instant snack recipe. You can easily make your kids go with some healthy radish. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 onion thinly sliced, 1 cup of grated radish, 1 green chilli finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, 1 cup of besan or gram flour, a tablespoon of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chilli powder and a pinch of Asafoetida or hing. Mix all the ingredients well with a spoon. Then add 1 tablespoon of water and mix it well with your hands. You need to mash all the ingredients well so that the flavors of the onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves and the spices come together well. Now the ingredients have all come together very well, so pull out a small portion and keep it ready. Heat some oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, fry the pakodas in medium flame. Let this fry for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the pakodas are nicely fried and ready, so let's now remove them. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, crispy, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this radish pakoda recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.